Sahara Force India team principal Vijay Mallya tweeted a few days ago to say how proud he was to have the first Formula One carnival in India. 30 years after he test drove an F1 car, Mr. Mallya spoke to NDTV about just how excited he is.
So the first ever Indian Grand Prix and the boss of the only Indian Formula One team on the grid joins us, Dr. Vijay Mallya.
I never thought that we would really have a Grand Prix event in India. It's not only that sense of huge pride, but this is a spectacular circuit, spectacular facility. It's world class. And yeah, I mean, as an Indian, I'm very, very proud.
In terms of your qualifying performance today, you think Sutil at number 8, that's a good beginning?
Yes, it is. I mean, I was hoping that both cars would make it into the top 10. Paul didn't have a particularly good qualifying, but he will start at the 12th position. That's also a competitive position to start in.
Do you feel like a host too, because it's an Indian Grand Prix?
Well, everybody thinks that I'm a host because people are coming and asking me for passes and asking me about the track.
Yeah, so have you put your phone on silent then?
Well, I can't afford to do that, but I can't afford to offend my friends, but I try very hard. But the fact is that, yeah, as team principal of the first ever Indian Formula One team, people associate Formula One with me. The JP Group have done an outstanding job here, full marks to them. It's their event.
Final question, and this is with regards to the JP Group. You said they are the ones behind it, but now they've been asked to pay 20% tax, considering they've paid so much just to have a Grand Prix, and the people who gain most out of this is, after all, the government.
Governments are pretty hungry for revenue, but, the benefits of Formula One are such that I think government should not be overly enthusiastic in taxing such events. It needs to mature. This will become, a country with millions, hundreds of millions of Formula One fans. This facility is the catalyst at the center of it all. I'm not asking government to even consider subsidizing Formula One, but don't sort of burden it from the day it's born with high tax, and let it develop, let it get really popular, and then the time for taxation will come.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.